Marisa Rodriguez is filling in for Alan tonight. You've been watching the radar and you can see the clouds moving toward us.
Yeah, that's right. We are noticing a lot more cloud cover out there tonight. In fact, let's take a look at current conditions out there right now in Santa Barbara in the low 50s. And we will start to notice partly cloudy skies tonight, but then after midnight, we're going to be pretty socked in for most areas up and down the coast. And it's all because of this storm to the north of us that's right now over the Bay Area. And with that, it is going to start to make its way south into our area, primarily impacting the first half of our weekend. In fact, temperatures out there right now, we are noticing a lot more 40s out there, still in the low 50s, near low 50s along the south coast of Santa Barbara and Ventura County. But check out the valleys already cooling down into the 30s in the Cuyama Valley. Frazier Park, 23 degrees, and Ojai, not that much better at 39 degrees right now. And that's why they will be under a frost advisory in the interior portions of Ventura County during the overnight hours until Saturday morning. Futurecast is showing us a lot more cloud cover will start to make its way during the overnight hours. And the rain, we are noticing a shift in this pattern because San Luis Obispo County was expected to get the bulk of the precipitation. And as you can see, as I set the Futurecast into motion, the majority of the rain is off the coast over the water instead of making its way inland there. But then we'll see a shift in the pattern where by around 2:30, 3 to 5 o'clock. That's when we're all expected to get the bulk of the heavier rain. Now, it isn't going to be like the rains we saw earlier this week, so we'll be light to moderate at times, but then we are going to notice that by 5 o'clock in the afternoon, for your Saturday, we will start to see the colors change into a lighter hue, and that means lighter rain as well. But look at how long it sticks around, especially along the south coast of Santa Barbara County and primarily into the western portion of Ventura County. We're expected to get a lot more rain than I previously forecasted in the earlier newscast, and as you'll see, it's going to linger even into Sunday, the early morning hours. Overnight hours there into the Sunday morning. And not only that, but we could see some pop-up storms also Sunday afternoon, but that will mainly be over the mountains. So I'm not expecting much conditions in the coastal areas, but I will expect to see more precipitation over the mountains. But still, taking a look at our Futurecast rain totals, more than double the amount I reported. I was just reporting 1/10 of an inch of rain, slightly more along the south coast and into Ventura County, but now we're going to get 1/4 of an inch or more. And then take a look at Santa Maria, Lompoc, and San Ynez. They were expecting to get about 1/4 of an inch of rain, now nearly 1/2 an inch of rain, with San Luis Obispo now just getting a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch of rain, as is Paso Robles as well. So we are noticing that it is a slower moving system, but we're not going to get that much wind out of it. But what we will notice, slightly warmer conditions during our overnight lows compared to what we saw last night, but our daytime highs tomorrow will be slightly cooler. So today we were near average, but tomorrow we're going to be slightly below average because of that shift in the weather pattern. For the next 7 days, we will start to notice some small storms making its way into our area Monday and Wednesday. Now, Monday's storm doesn't look very impressive, especially for the south coast. It will primarily impact the northern coast, but we will notice some light rain also for your Wednesday for both coasts. So the northern and southern coast, we will get some light rain, and we're going to notice this off and on pattern with the rain. So we're going to get lighter storms, but at the end of the day, they do start to add up. So that's really nice.
Well, we want to see high rain totals spread out.
I think we need a break after this week. Let's let the ground settle.
Okay, thank you. Well, the